Hi student, hope all are well. Today's topic is small intestine from taken class 10 CBSE pattern, and welcome again Science Fact channel with Amita. So here we will start about small intestine. So firstly taken location of small intestine. Before start this topic, please subscribe, like and more share and press red button for upcoming videos for next chapter of 10th class. So easy learn with me, and very small content included this slide. So start this session. Location, small intestine location. Small intestine lies between the stomach and large intestine. The small intestine or small bowel is an organ in the gastrointestinal tract where most of the end of absorption of nutrients and minerals from food take place. Here we can see this is diagram of small intestine. I had already draw here. This is a small intestine diagram. This part is duodenum. Blue part is showing jejunum. This is a ileum. This is a large intestine and stomach, and here this is a small intestine. So small intestine lies between stomach and large intestine. This is a large intestine, this part, and this is a stomach. The small intestine lies between stomach and large intestine. The small intestine or small bowel is an organ in the gastrointestinal tract where most of the end absorption of nutrients and minerals from food take place. Okay, so in a small intestine digestion in take place and mostly nutrition digest in the part of small intestine. So location, small intestine lies between the stomach and large intestine. The small intestine or small bowel is a organ that gastrointestinal tract where most of the end of absorption of nutrients. In small intestine, mostly all nutrients absorbed by the small intestine, mostly absorbed, and minerals from food taken. From minerals and nutrients which comes from food, here digestion in take place in small intestine. So mostly nutrients absorbed by the small intestine. This is located in between stomach and large intestine. Small intestine, this is located in stomach. This is a stomach, and here is, we can see here this diagram, this is a large intestine. So small intestine lies between stomach and large intestine. This is a main function absorption of nutrients. Mostly nutrients absorbed by the small intestine which taken from the food. Okay, and third, division of small intestine. The small intestine has three main regions divided into three parts: duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Here we can see here this diagram. You can easily draw in your notebook. This is a small intestine. Diagram of a small intestine lies between stomach and large intestine. This is divided into three parts. This part duodenum. This is a blue part showing this is a jejunum, and third part is a ileum. So small intestine divided into three parts: duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Okay, and will come function of a small intestine. Here we can see here this slide on your screen. Small intestine receive bile and pancreatic juice. Small intestine main function: receive bile and pancreatic juice through the pancreatic duct to aid in digestion. The small intestine receive bile and pancreatic juice from the pancreatic duct and mix with and play the role of digestion. Okay, so this is a function of small intestine. So let's revise. This is a, here we will revise again. Before we start this revise topic of small intestine taken from the class 10th chapter life process for CBSE pattern. So before we start this topic, revise this topic, please subscribe, like and more share and press red button for upcoming notification. So firstly we'll take location of small intestine. We already know small intestine lies between the stomach and large intestine. The small intestine are a small ball, is an organ in the gastrointestinal tract. The small intestine is a large ball or large intestine or a small ball is an organ in gastrointestinal tract where most of the end of absorption of nutrients and minerals from food take place. Mostly nutrients absorbed by the small intestine. This is lies between stomach and large intestine. We can see here this diagram. This is a small intestine portion which can divided into three parts: duodenum, jejunum and ileum. This is the lies between large intestine and stomach. Okay, this is the main function of absorption of nutrients. Mostly nutrients absorbed by the small intestine and mix with some enzymes secreted by pancreas, bile duct, bile gallbladder. And the next slide, function of small intestine: receive bile and pancreatic juice through the pancreatic duct, aid in digestion. So main function of small intestine: receive bile and pancreatic juice through the pancreatic duct and aid in digestion. So we will finish here this video, and next topic we will come about large intestine. So I will request you, please subscribe, like and more share and press red button for upcoming next video and very interesting and important topic, small intestine. So this is taken from class 10th and this is from life process. So be care, be safe, think positive, do positive, take care. God bless.